Hey guys, what's up? I'm Palak Lakhani. In this channel, I make educational videos focusing mainly on studying, working, and living in Germany. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. So in today's video, we have Balaji with us. He is in Germany for past 8 years and he is associated with this field of student colleague for past 4 years. So he is here to discuss with us about student colleague and the concepts related to student colleague which are not talked about much in other videos. So his experience in this field will be really valuable for all of you who wants to come to Germany to pursue your bachelor's degree. So let's get started with today's video. So we talked about the 4 types of student colleagues in the starting and 4 major types of student colleague. But the M course is the course which is not talked much about on internet or anywhere.
Okay.
So could you please tell in detail about this M course?
Yeah. So M course is for the people who want to do something in the medical related subjects or in the science area. So let's say you wanted to become a doctor, you wanted to do human sciences, or you wanted to become a dentist, you wanted to do some research in science field like in biotech or medical technology, biology. So this kind of life sciences subject, then your go-to course should be M course.
Okay.
So, and one point which I want to discuss is most of the times, let's say, for example, student coming from Asia, especially from India and Sri Lanka and then Southeast Asia, in few places, when you are opting for your high school, you have the liberty to skip the mathematics subject when you're taking science related subjects in your high school. This is how we also did in
exactly.
in India, so we did the same. So you get the opportunity to skip mathematics and then study physics, chemistry, and then in biology you don't have to study mathematics. But in Germany, every student have to have this mathematics until they finish their high school and then go to university, most of them. So in the student colleague entrance examination also the mathematics is there. So if you wanted to study M course in Germany and then maybe human sciences, you still have to do mathematics.
Okay.
But unfortunately, people skip the mathematics in their high school, so they did not study for the last 2 to 3 years. So brush up your skills. It's going to be the same mathematics in the high school. So you did not visit your mathematics in high school. So I would suggest in every student colleague, public student colleague, you can find the last years or the old question papers, Aufnahmeprüfungs question papers. So just visit the website. If you go inside the Hanover website, you can find. Go inside TU Berlin, you can find. You can go to Nordhausen, you can find. In any student colleague you go mostly, but you just have to navigate yourself and then find where it is available. So, but most of the student colleagues will publish the old question papers. So that will really help you to prepare. So you have an idea how the pattern will be there.
Exactly.
So prepare that. Even though if you did not study mathematics, but it's not really difficult. It's the basics, the same what you studied in high school. So give preparation, do a couple of months study, then it should be possible for you to crack the mathematics part also, and then the German part also. So that's for the M course. This is the only place where they will get confused. I don't know mathematics, what could I do? But still, you have to learn the mathematics in the entrance examination. So this is the route which I explained. So prepare for it in beforehand, and then write the examination. Pretty sure that you will clear it. And then once you clear it, then for M course it's a little different. Even though after completing a student colleague, you don't directly get placed into university. So if you want to do MBBS, every university in Germany is autonomous. So they have their own admission criteria, admission requirements. So you have to check their requirements. You can find in the university's website. If you want to do what you say in Charité, human sciences MBBS in Charité Berlin, in Heidelberg University, you have to go into their website and see what is their requirement. And you don't really have the requirements, write them, drop them an email, call them and ask them, hey, I'm a prospective student, I've completed my student colleague, I want to visit your medical university and I want to study human sciences with the university. So most of the time people will respond. Even if sometimes if they don't respond, I would say find the international student secretary or international office who mostly will be likely to help you and will coordinate you, because sometimes the students write the email directly to the department,
Okay.
to the head of the department or some professors, and there are very less chances that you will get response. So write down to the student secretary of the international office or to the international office directly, then you will get the response, and then they will let you know what is the requirement or finding a place in that university, and based on that you can prepare your application. Then you apply to the university, and then they will invite you for an interview, or they will check your documents, and then they will let you know whether you can find a place in their university or not.
Great.
So that's how it works.
Okay, great. So you yourself are an owner of a student colleague here in Germany, right?
Right, yeah.
So could you please tell a bit about it so that students can know if they should choose your student colleague or not?
So like in the beginning we discussed, my name is Balaji, and then Balaji Ayappan, and I am a co-founder of ISB, International Student Colleague Braunschweig, which is located in the Braunschweig. It's in the central part of Germany, nearby Hanover, I would say, if they wanted to really know where it is. So it's 20 minutes from Hanover.
Okay.
So we are doing this student colleague for the last 2.5 years now.
Okay.
Before student colleague we were a German language course institute, and then we started the student colleague, where we could see the need, students writing the entrance exam and then not clearing it, so there is no choice for them.
Exactly.
About the other students, 1:10 ratio. So other people, what about the 9? They have to they need to do something, right? Everybody is qualified enough to that's my concept. If you give the right opportunity to them, everybody have the capacity to
Exactly.
go into the
Yeah, I mean,
university
students
and
just
study.
need another chance,
Exactly. All they're waiting for is the chance. So that's what we do in a student colleague, private student colleague. So we have the courses for we have 2 courses. One is the short term fast track, and the next one is the normal course. So we particularly made this fast course. So the students, many students from different parts of the world, they come to Germany, they write the entrance examination first time and they didn't get through it, and they wait for 6 more months and they didn't get through it. So they're already in Germany for, I would say, close to 10-12 months in Germany, and like they said, within 2 years they have to complete it. So that's why we give this fast track course. Within 6 months we complete the student colleague, but the requirement level is much higher. You need to have C1 level German language before you enter this fast track course. So if you have C1, then you could complete the student colleague fast track in 6 months, then enter into university. And then we have the normal course, which is for between 8 and 9 months. Your requirement also is there. You need to have B2 level German language, and then you can apply for this particular course.
Great.
So the application process works like this. So if you're from your home country, you have to send all your basic documents to us. You can check our website. You're gonna need your basic passport copy, and then your high school certificate, your German language certificate, and a simple resume about yourselves, what you're doing, what you have done until now, and then send this document to us first via email. You can find the email address.
Yeah,
in the
sure.
website.
I will put it in the description.
Yeah, so they can email to us and they can inquire to us and then ask, hey, this is my document, am I qualified? We will check all the documents, required documents, and then we will let you know that whether you can find a place in our student colleague or not. And then based on that, they can apply for a visa with our student colleague and student colleague admission. Then they can arrive in Germany and then start the student colleague. And if they're already in Germany or in some European countries, then it's also very similar process. You send the document to us and we evaluate it. Then our admission board will tell you whether you find a place or not. And if you find a place, then you can directly visit. If you're inside Europe, you don't have to apply for a visa. You can directly visit us. And if you're already in Germany, then you can come to our city directly, start the program, and extend your visa based on our ISB's admission letter. And then ISB will help you from the end-to-end process. We'll help you with the application, we'll help you with the insurance, we'll help you with the blocked account, we'll help you with the finding an accommodation in the city, and then extending your visa, opening a bank account, and doing a city registration, visa extension. So whatever it takes to make the things better for our students, we would do. So that is the the concept. We wanted to make things better for them, so all their effort goes into studying.
Exactly.
So they are here to study and then
Yeah.
go to university, and the other things the institute will take care. So
Great,
like I
yeah.
said, whatever you need from the apart from the education, the institute will help you and
Okay.
guide you in it. And even after completing a course, you can talk to our teachers, you can talk to our counselors, and then find out that which university is best for you.
Okay.
What course do you need to know? We have the counselors. All our teachers are from Germany, native German speakers, and then they are teaching in German Abitur, German high school for the last 10 to 15 years. So very experienced teachers, and so there is no compromise in the quality, and the student to teacher ratio is also very good. So they get to interact with the teachers. The teachers can also put a lot of effort into a student. They can closely monitor how his improvements are. So the personal interactions will be much higher
Great.
than the other places. So that's what we believe in, holistic approach. So help them in all the possible ways, then guide them to universities after that.
Okay. So thank you so much, Balaji,
you.
for
Yeah.
this interview.
Yeah.
And I hope it helps all of you. And if you still have doubts, then you can leave them in the comment section below. And I or Balaji will try to answer them. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. And if you did, then do give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing my channel. See you in the next video. And till then, take care and stay safe.
See you guys.